If you as a pet owner are out most of the day and your cat has no friends to play with, it can quickly become lonely. The most obvious way to tell is through changes in behavior. In this video, we'll tell you 7 warning signs that should make you take action. Number 1. Uncleanliness. If your cat suddenly doesn't use its litter box anymore, but does its business somewhere in the apartment, this can indicate loneliness. However, behind uncleanliness can also be medical causes, which you should clarify. Number 2. More sleep. Another change to watch out for is your cat's sleeping habits. When cats are bored, they may sleep more than normal. Loneliness and depression can also cause cats to sleep rather than play with you, for example. Number 3. Aggressiveness. A lonely cat may also show its displeasure through aggressive behavior. For example, by attacking you while you want to go out. Again, if a cat is aggressive, this can have various causes that should be clarified by a veterinarian. Number 4. Loud complaints. Your cat is actually of the quiet kind and suddenly meows much more than usual. This can also indicate that your velvet paw is lonely. Especially if your cat is loudest when you come home after a long absence. Number 5. Destructive behavior. You left the house when everything was fine and when you come back, your vases are broken and your sofa is scratched. This behavior may indicate loneliness. If your cat doesn't have anything to do, it will find something to do by itself. Number 6. Attachment. Your cat always wants to be near you and you like that because it shows affection, right? In fact, the attachment could also be a warning signal. Your cat may want more company and interaction. Number 7. Changed appetite. If your cat suddenly eats significantly more, he may be bored. Or your cat may be eating less because he is becoming depressed. If you notice one or more of these changes in your cat, you shouldn't buy him a boyfriend right away. Go to the vet first to rule out any health problems. If you liked the video, I would be very happy about a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell, so you won't miss any new video in the future.